Lovely Professional University LPU has recently introduced a transformative initiative called the Edu Revolution for the spring term 2024 and 2025, aimed at reshaping the educational landscape to be more student-centric. This initiative recognizes the diverse needs of students and seeks to provide a more flexible and practical approach to learning. One of the key features of this new approach is the introduction of a course equivalence and attendance relaxation policies. Students who believe they possess adequate knowledge in basic course can request a relaxation in attendance and equivalence through a recognition of prior learning (RPL) examination. This allows students to demonstrate their existing competencies and potentially exempt them from attending certain classes, thereby promoting a more personalized educational experience. In addition to the relaxation policies, the Great Revolution, an initiative aims to enhance the overall well-being of students. This program may involve revising grading policies to ensure that they accurately reflect students' performance and learning outcomes. By focusing on the holistic development of students, LPU is emphasizing the importance of mental health and personal growth alongside academic achievement. Furthermore, the introduction of 10% attendance waiver for students in their pre-final or final years acknowledges the unique challenges faced by students during critical academic periods, allowing them to manage their time more effectively without compromising their educational commitments. Another innovative aspect of the Edu Revolution is the continuous assessment reduction through Experience Care initiative. This program aims to lessen the frequency of assessments based on students' practical experience, recognizing that hands-on learning can be just as valuable as traditional learning methods. By prioritizing experiential learning, LPU is fostering an environment where students can gain real-world skills and knowledge. Lastly, the active participation of students in decision-making through student committees is a significant step towards ensuring that student voices are heard and considered in academic affairs. This initiative not only empowers students but also promotes a sense of community and collaboration within the university. Overall, the Edu Revolution at LPU represents a significant shift towards a more inclusive, flexible and engaging educational experience, ultimately preparing students for success in their future. With this, we come to an end. This is me, Kajal Goswami, signing off.